How to troubleshoot can't install Avira antivirus issue. 2 quick solutions. Method 1. Check for system updates. Step 1. Click on the Windows Start button and select Settings. Step 2. Select Update and Security and then Windows Update. Step 3. Next click on Check for Updates and it'll start searching for available updates. Step 4. Once the update is complete, restart the system. Method 2. Start your computer in safe mode. Step 1. Click on the Windows Start button and click on the Power button. Step 2. Press the Shift key then click on Restart. Step 3. Select Troubleshoot then click Advanced Options. Step 4. Select Startup Settings then click the Restart button. Step 5. Press the F4 key to select Safe Mode. Step 6. Once the system goes into safe mode, enter the password to sign in. Step 7. Now try to install Avira and see if it works. For more such help and information, visit us at www.antivirustales.com or call us at +1 857 557 6826 +44 161 791 4591.